Alright guys, today we're gonna show you how to get off these special tools. Nut. Plus we have our tool from here from Amazon, guys. If you want to take a look, so if you have on this special nut lock on your car, you get one of these on Amazon, very cheap. It show you the different size you gotta use: 17, 19, 21, 22, and this one is 21. So we're using this one right here. And guys, fit on just like that, guys. And if you're new to my channel, guys, please consider subscribing. Check out some of my other videos, guys. And without any further ado, guys, we're gonna show you how to get this one off. So guys, we just hit the hammer right here. Tap it in like that. And guys, don't use an impact. Use a power bar, because if you use the impact, you gotta strip the nut and you won't get it off. And yeah, so use a bar, 1/2 inch, and you pull down. Hopefully, let's see, and this come off just like that, guys. So you see that, guys? And if you wanna just hit it a little bit up and down, so you could get this off when it comes out easy. That's it, guys. And this way, this take off your lock, and you still have your, you could still use the original lock when you find it to get this off, because you didn't damage anything here. So very important tool. Get your tool on Amazon, very cheap. Works well, because if you're taking off these, guys, it's like 20 bucks to take off each of one wheel. That adds up to like 80 bucks, and this could save you some money, guys. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. I'm out.